You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to be an expert before you start making money online. In 2026, thousands of people are earning online with beginner-level skills. If you can write, design, edit videos, manage social media, or even organize files, freelancing is for you. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and People Per Hour allow anyone to sign up for free. You create a profile, list your services, and apply for jobs. Some freelancers earn $5 per job, others earn 50, 100, or more. And with consistency, many people grow to earning thousands every month. You don't grow before you start. You start, then you grow.